Wonder where that crane went. A crane just flew overhead. I got spice finches down here. I guess I got the fill of my bird feeder. Whole flock is here. Hey guys. Been talking to him this morning. I can't get a shot on him here. There. Oh, that scared him. Dang it. Oh, there's fish. Yeah. They're hiding in the shade. See right there. So the spice finches are down here. They were at my feeder all morning. I've got a pretty successful program of putting off the hawk, because all of the past year or so my bird feeder's been empty because of the hawk. Figured out a way to zoom in on them and catch them by surprise and eat up all the doves. I don't think they got any small spice finches though. They're too quick. So today's date is September 1st, 2021. And it is looking nice down here. On weather and everything else. Like today's only like 71 degrees. I'm sure it'll heat up later. Go over here, shall we? This trash has been sitting here for years. Well, not years, I mean, year and a half. See, it's good metal, good scrap metal. Recyclables. The college is open. Lots of college kids everywhere, which surprises me. Thought they wanted to play coof games. I'm scared of the coof. Guess I won't worry about it. See, parking lot's full. They're here. College kids are here, occupying the dorms. Okay, I just wanted to check this bridge. I'm just hiking down to the bridge and then back. There's a homeless guy who's over here, and he harasses me for coming down here. He's all, you're here because you want to make fun of homeless people. I'm like, no, I've been hiking this canyon since 1977. Has nothing to do with you. But because since they put in this trolley, of course attracts the city type of stuff. You know. Although it's pretty cool what the homeless guy's doing. He's like down here building Frankenstein mini bikes. He's pretty good at mechanics. I didn't film it. You know why. He's all trying to bully me. Got it. This is a city property here. This is where they store all their crap. I ain't going any further than this, though. Those are surfboard kites. Still. That's very interesting. Okay, you're touring Fiesta Island right now. Sort of. We're on the island. It's just basically a big dirt pile in the middle of Mission Bay. A lot of really crappy drivers come here and butt hurt themselves a lot. Because it's like a one-way road, one lane. So if you're looking for me on Fiesta Island, just park next to the blue trash can with a lot of sand around it. Okay. So you always find me next to the blue trash can. Those wind sills are pretty cool too. Look at that thing, it's like up. See that? It's up. It's up. Uh-oh, we got one of them super teeny. Now here you used to be able to park right here. they put all this dirt here? I guess maybe they're going to expand the beach. Usually when they pile up sand like that, later on they're going to expand the beach right there. This dirt's heavy, man. You ever push that stuff around? Yeah. See, blue trash can. Just search for the blue trash can, you'll be able to find me. Well, because the island's so big, it's nothing but dirt. So dude just driving through. Oh, watch it. Now that type of camper is non-stealth camping right there. You got the non-stealth bumper, non-stealth rust, but he does have the stealthy new LED trailer lights, so it's a plus side for the stealth. Another super stealthy right there. Non-stealthy means you're an easy target to get bullied by the cops. That's the weirdest looking Ferrari I've ever seen. What do you think? Must be new. Isn't that the horse? Isn't that the Ferrari symbol? Maybe not. What do I know? I don't have $5 million to go and buy junk like that. And he he's always driving over this. He can't drive without going over the speed limit, even if it's just 300 feet. It's just the nature of the beast. It's like, damn it. I paid $600,000 for this car, and I still have to stop at red lights. Dang it.